Hi, welcome to the Pagefly video tutorial. This complete Figma to Shopify Advertorial Landing Page using Pagefly. This landing page, Figma landing page. Already Figma to convert Shopify with Pagefly Builder. This page. This landing page fully desktop and mobile responsive. 100% mobile responsive. Some with custom code. This section, only this section, use custom code. Shopify. So if you have any project about Figma to Shopify, please contact me in my email. We'll be very happy to help you, even in any of your project, as well as if you want to this complete template. To get it Figma play without building it from scratch and use it for any new product, then there will be link in the description where you can purchase this tablet only for $5. Thanks for watching video.